he said, it is the foolish fool who says in his heart that there is no God. Because you see, in verse number 2, he makes the reason why he makes that statement. He said, the Lord looks down from heaven upon the children of men to see if there were any that did understand and see God. Lower his microphone for me. Read the word. Obi says one more a better nasin won't be tear radiasa. You are shimwa, Yanu or will be a way pajama. And this is why when I'm preaching, I say that I'm preaching to only the wise. Imagine Mangwani and no more casa. Because ya no more dear, what they way no more call Mosua, woman teasia, one teasia, what can see Wuno and a ditch. It will be correct to me to see the podcast when you're minimal. It would in the Tree Dictionary, Macachos, your cast will be a Gregentria and Kwasia Funa penny any Gregentria. Will be a Gregentria, and you will be a wet Jimmy, will be a wounded Tilly, will be a Okwasea. Ye canina fra raised to the power to one more penny, one only Gregentria. So put it up in my language. Look at how the Bible puts it. Look at the word. You know, he makes it. He saw the verse number 1 place. In the first verse, the Bible said, you know, it calls it, you know, it's an interesting, how many letter? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 letter word. Ojeye nte wa ojejwenchie se na kuma msenyamini. Come up to us. Verse number 2 here, God's word. And yet no near some nankasa me pesa me kasam job, but would you nyabo trinity asem panibi. Intimi myself. What about the fact Christ and you run no krajen kwa what peja wansa edi ama wo suru nino wudin akopiem kwa ngumenim. Intimi myself will be a wasum nyame a wono ni nyanse na afare ban wo hwe nyansa eno ne awurade.